Integer subtraction, problem type 2. This is problem type 2 because it's a medium level. It has parentheses with a negative in front of it. So before I talk about the general rules for doing this, anytime you have a negative in front of parentheses, you want to actually think of that as not being a negative sign, but of it meaning the word opposite. So all of these mean opposite. If it's a negative in front of parentheses, it means opposite. So what I want to do is I want to write down the first number, -5, and take the opposite of the number in the parentheses. Well, the opposite of -7 is a +7. So I'm going to do that for each one of these. Write down the first number, take the opposite of -2 is +2. Write down the first number, the opposite of -2 is +2. Now, the signs are the same, you find the sum. Sum means add. So those all begin with the letter S, so that's how I remember what it is. Signs the same, find the sum. Signs different, find the difference. Those are almost the exact same word, and difference means subtract. You always keep the sign of the larger number. So on this first one, we have a negative and we have a positive. The signs are different. So I'm going to find the difference. I'm going to subtract, and you always do the largest one first. So 7 take away 5 is 2. Now the 7 is the largest number and it's positive, so that means your answer will be a +2. On this next one, 8 plus 2 is 10. And on the next one, 2 plus 2 is 4.